Well boys, the new spoiler is here, and I'll tell you what, this is way too flat. It has no movement whatsoever, so I'm gonna let it sit in the sun before we put it on. The spoiler is finally in. You do need 2 people to install this, but wow, the fitment on this is really freaking good. I love how it looks. It looks really, really nice. I should have replaced it a long time ago. If you guys are interested in this certain hardtop spoiler, I am gonna link it in the comment, not in the comment section, but in the video description section, so go check it out. The only con to this whole spoiler so far that I can see, because I really do love how it looks, this looks so good and the fitment was really, really good, but the only con with this spoiler, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, is the middle section. As you can see light pass through it, because the hardtop actually has a little indentation in the middle, and that does not let the hardtop spoiler sit 100% accurate. And you can't see it from up here. Well, no, you really can't see it, to be honest with you. It's just from the bottom. You do see some light coming in because of the hardtop. It does have like a little indentation in the middle, so it doesn't let it sit flush. But besides that, this thing looks really good. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I think this looks 100 times better. I've been outside for probably 10 seconds. I don't know if you can tell how sweaty I am already. Florida is super freaking hot. It's like 110 degrees out right now. I don't want to do anything, but then we got a package. I was gonna say, but then the Fire Nation attacked, but no. But then we got a package, and now my motivation's sky high. So yeah, here in this package, I'm just gonna tell you what it is, because by the title, you're going to be able to see it. This is Garagestar Sideskirts for the Miata for my Unos, which is over there. And like I said again, I did not want to record. These finally showed up. I ordered these like, I would say probably 2 weeks ago. Finally here in Garagestar. Freaking awesome company. I hit them up. They only had 14 of these left, and if you guys are looking at this video and want a pair of these, you'll no longer be able to get these, because Garagestar even said on their website that the last bunch they had are the last they're ever going to make, because they're getting out of the business of doing other parts. They're only going into seat brackets. So if you guys want a pair of these, you'll never be able to get them again. I got one of the 14s they had in stock, and I'm super excited for that. We're gonna open that probably tomorrow, because today's mission is to finish my front lip. I actually went to the paint shop and I got Nardo gray paint from a can, and I've been sanding. I probably sanded for like 3 hours. I sanded my lip very, 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 very smooth, and I'm painting. This is a really ghetto cover, just being honest with you, but I don't really care too much, just from the fact that this bumper has a lot of nicks and scratches everywhere. I just wanted to look a little bit better. This is the first coat. Yeah, it matches good. It looks really, really good. Well boys, as you can see here, we have the side skirts. These are not the cheap bacon eBay ones. These are actually made out of metal. They look really good, actually. I'm really happy because I bought them, and there's not a lot of these around. Like I said again, they're never making them again, and they have fins. So this is gonna make my car look super freaking good. Well boys, the lip is finally done, and I have to say this thing came out really, really good for spray cans. Like I said again, I didn't buy these spray cans at Walmart. I went to an actual paint shop. They shook them and put them inside the can, and it matches perfectly. So I'm really, really happy with how this came out. The clear, you could tell, it's has a little bit of orange peel, but I mean, it's a lip. It's gonna have damage regardless. So I'm really happy where this is at. I would love to go put the side skirts on this thing, but I have to let this lip dry for at least a day. I'm gonna let it all night just sit here, all day sit here. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It doesn't look like it's going to rain. Also guys, heads up, I do plan on taking this car to the Palm Beach International Raceway for autocrossing. After thinking about it for a while, I am going to buy a new daily. This car right here is going to become my track car. I want something that's reliable and something that's fun. I mean, I have one of the best cars, one of the best platforms for autocrossing, and I've never gone autocrossing. This car is, I mean, you can turn it into a drift car, but you need a lot of money. You can turn it into a drag car, but that requires pretty much an extensive swap or a lot of money in return. Or you can leave it stock and make an autocrossing car with a whole bunch of aero and a whole bunch of suspension mods. And honestly, I'm taking that route. I mean, that's where the car is going. And my first event should be the 12th, unless they cancel it. And another big issue with my car is the fact that, I don't know if you guys can see this, the brake light is on. And the reason the brake light is on is because the master cylinder is leaking and it's low. The bad thing is the Miata one is different from the Unos, so yeah, I can't really fix it. I've been looking online for Unos parts. They're so hard to find. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So if I can fix this before the 12th, I will be going to the Palm Beach International Raceway. and competing in my first autocrossing event. And trust me, this thing is not gonna be 100% good, and that's perfectly fine because I want a baseline of where to start. So I'm just gonna take my regular, you know, tires, my daily driving tires, my all seasons stock Miata pretty much, and we're just gonna keep going every event and putting stuff into it and improving it from there. So this will be a baseline for this car, and honestly it has the track look already with canards and then the side skirts drying over there and everything, so it's gonna be really cool. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. We will be taking this to the track and seeing how I do. I do need to get a new shifter. This one's is really bad. It's broken. I broke it when I took it drag racing. I went drag racing, never recorded anything for you guys, but this thing's broken. I shifted too hard. This car did 11.1 on the dragway, so I was really happy. I'm like, wow, that's not that bad. So unfortunately my Advance did not have anything good. I ended up just going with Rust-Oleum black. What I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start buying these at Walmart and just having them on hand, because these are $7 here in Advance. At Walmart they're like $3.99 or something, with $16 just for two bottles. But there's no Walmart in my area. It's 30 minutes away. I live in the middle of nowhere, so fortunately I have to pay their price because they're the only ones here. But they didn't have any wrinkled paint, they didn't have undercoat, so we're gonna do gloss black and see how that looks. Well boys, the side skirts are finally done and they came out good. Now we're gonna throw them back in the Unos and we're gonna drive out to Ricardo's garage and hopefully have these put on. So we do have the car jacked up. We're gonna install the side skirts, and to install these side skirts, they're actually pretty easy. The first thing you need to do is you need to remove the 3 bolts that are on the actual body of the car. We removed the 10mm here. Now we have to remove this 9mm, this one right here. And then we're gonna put the actual side skirt, and these should still operate the same way. You use the same nuts and bolts that the car already has, and we are going to have to put some additional holes on the body, which I'm not too happy with, but you have to do what you have to do to get the extra scene points. So we are gonna have to use self-tappers back here, but the front is gonna be secured from the stock locations. That's awesome. So I have to go get a 9mm and then we can move this one. Well guys, we have both sides finally done. We're gonna lower this bad boy and I'm gonna show you how they look. They look super freaking good. I'm so excited. Oh, my car's so low. There we go. And the side skirts are finally done. Garagestar makes the car look so much wider. Crazy, that looks so good. I'm gonna take it out in the light and I'm gonna show you how it looks, but man, I'm so happy with these. A little pricey, but honestly, totally worth the price. By the way guys, I'm so sorry for the quality of this video. There's this random guy just looking at me right there in the blue. Right there, he's been sitting there the whole time staring at me, man. So I couldn't record as much as I would like to. They're both on, they both look great, but this guy, that guy, he's staring again. He was just staring at me, man. I'm new to YouTube and he got me nervous. So well, let's move this out to the light because it's kind of ugly out right now. And I'm really trying to get some pictures. This is gonna look so good. I'm really happy. So we're here in the spot, and honestly guys, you have to watch out. Stop, Spotify. But you have to be so careful. I literally just stepped on this a little bit and then I reminded myself not to put pressure on it. So it's gonna take a little bit to get used to, but be really careful. And I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this, because you guys can't even get a pair of these anymore. But if one of you guys do get a pair of these, just be really careful, because you have the tendency to always put your foot there. Wow man, this looks so good. And I know you can't see the dimensions from the camera, but trust me, these look so good. They look really good. I'm here at the spot and I wanted to get some pictures of the car. Man, the lips painted, the side skirts are on, and you can't really see the side skirts because my bottom has always been black anyways, but trust me, they look so good. We have the new spoiler, that looks good in itself. Man, I'm in love with this car, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna lower the back a little bit and it's perfect. It's really perfect. Wow. Wow. So I'm gonna get some pictures guys, and then we're gonna go home. Oh no, I nicked my wheels. I nicked my wheels at McDonald's. Yep, I got them really good too. I just realized that I did hit the curb. It's so hard because this is left-hand drive. Ah man, I mean right-hand drive. Whoops, I did nick my wheels and I felt it too when I nicked them. Oh man. I'm gonna get some Sharp and put some on there. All right, I'm gonna shut up, take some pictures for Garagestar, and then we're gonna head out home. So let me get some pictures real quick. Well, boys, it's really late. It's raining outside, and I have these for you guys. The first 2 people that sent me a message on Instagram will get a Garagestar / CRX bundle pack. I have a lot of CRXs and Hot Wheels. I actually collect them, and I feel like giving a couple of them out. So the first 2 people that messaged me on Instagram saying, oh, I would like a bundle pack or something, or bundle pack, or just sent me a message that you want one, and I'll send it your way. And please be in the United States. If you're out in Europe or something, I can't do that, man. I'm sorry, but shipping would be crazy. Plus with the whole Corona, COVID stuff, they're not going to be shipping anything out. But I'm going to end the video here, guys. It's kind of late. It's raining outside, so sorry if I didn't show you the Sideskirts very well, but they look incredible, and I'm really happy with how they look. Next couple of videos, we're actually going to start getting the Unos ready for the track. I'm going to take it autocrossing. Hopefully I do a little good. I'm nervous. I feel like I'm going to do bad, but that's all in the learning experience. That Uno is going to be my autocross / track car, and we do have to finish the hatch as well. I actually ordered my harness from Wireworks, but that's going to take 6 weeks, so we're not going to see that for a while. That's the only thing I need. So the hatch technically is pretty much done. And like I said again, if you guys want one of these Garagestar / CRX bundle packs, add me on Instagram and send me a message. The first 2 people that do it, I'll send you one your way. So I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you guys next time.